Hello, my loves. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My loves, we're going to be making these really cute little taggies that I created here using some fabric, some doilies, and some really fun little embellishment from the Dollar Tree. And then these little flowers from Michael's. These turned out so adorable. They're kind of like little vintagey looking, which I love. And that was really my idea behind it, is making some vintagey looking embellishments. And I think these turned out really, really pretty. With the little tag over here, or this little embellishment from the Dollar Tree, it really gave it a really, really fun look to it. So let's make it together. What I'm using for my embellishment are these little circle thingies that I got here. These actually were table runners, and I actually sat one day and I cut them out and I made these little circles. And so we're gonna make the embellishment out of these. But if you don't have something similar, you can always use doilies, you can always use paper. Michael's had these doilies a while ago. You can probably use these or something similar to this. It doesn't really matter. You don't have to even use anything if you don't want. You can just use paper, right? You can cut out a circle on a decorative paper, and you can use that. And then I'm going to use these tiny little doilies that I also love collecting. I got these at the thrift shop. I love searching for doilies when I go thrift shopping. And I came across these little tiny ones that I absolutely adore. And so we're going to use these for our little embellishment. So what we're going to do is very simple. This is such a simple project, but I think it turned out so pretty that I had to show you guys. Okay, we're going to hot glue our doily to a little circle. And we're going to make two together right in the center of the circle. All right, and then we're going to take another doily. I love this hot glue. This hot glue is called Gorilla, and it's actually one of my best hot glues I've ever used. I have a few hot glues. If you guys know, you know. All right, so now that we glue these down, it already looks so vintagey, right? We're going to glue down our embellishment. Now, our embellishment comes with a little twine that you can hang, so it's perfect. You don't have to actually use anything to hang it. You can use this, or you can change it if you want to change it to like a different color. I was going to actually use orange, but this doesn't really go with orange, so I just kept it the original way it came. But you can always change this to like a ribbon or like a lace if you want, whatever you want, yeah? So we're going to hot glue this to the front of our doily. So this is my little chickie and this is my little bunny. We're going to hot glue it. Be very generous with the hot glue because you don't want your little embellishment to fall off. And we're going to place this right in the center. And we're going to do the same thing with the bunny. Right in the center. And the embellishment looks already well put together, yeah? I think it looks already well put together. Look at that, how pretty that looks. And we really didn't do anything. We just literally just attached these little three things together. And we did nothing else. But look how pretty it already looks. The only thing that I also did was I added these really, really fun sparkly flowers. I got these at Michael's. Let me see. Where did I put the package? Here it is. They look like this. I believe they still have them. Last time I went to Michael's, I did see them. They're a little bit pricey, so I would probably use like a coupon, but they're so beautiful. I love them, and they're so sparkly. See that? They're so, so, so beautiful. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the back of this one, and I'm going to add it to the little corner over here of my little bunny. That's my mom talking to my father. Okay, right here, we're going to put it right here. And then we're going to add the other flower to the other embellishment. But the greatest thing about the other embellishment is that it already has a little flower right there. So all you gotta do is just add a little bit of hot glue right there, and they attach the little flower from Michael's to it. So we're gonna do that. And we're literally done. I'm telling you, super fast, quick, but so adorable. It looks like it took forever to make this embellishment. It literally took us like 3 minutes, yeah? I talk a lot, so minus me talking, probably would have been like 3, maybe 5 minutes to create this, yeah? But look how pretty this looks. I just thought this was so cute. I love it. I love the vintagey look to it. I love how like kind of like old and just like so like, I don't know, precious. It looks so pretty. I love the way it turned out. You can use these as embellishments. You can even use these as an Easter. If you have like an Easter tree, you can put these as little embellishments or like as little ornaments in your Easter tree. Or you can just use them for like a little gift basket. I thought it was cute. You can also use them as banners. That would be really cute, like a cute little Easter banner. Really, really fun, right? But easy to make. All right. I hope you enjoy watching me make these. If you guys make them, make sure you tag me and show me your amazing projects. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you soon. Bye.